What's going on, guys? About 4 minutes here. Check these payments real quick, get going. Get a little something to listen to while we wait.
Champagne, pop it. It's my house, come on, turn it up. Hear a knock on the door and the night begins. Cause we've done this before, so you come on in. Make yourself at my home, tell me where you been. Oh, baby, sometimes you know what we did. Sometimes you gotta stay. Welcome to my house. Baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Play the music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Money comes and you know that you wanna stay. Close the blinds and pretend that the time has changed. Keep our clothes on the floor, open up champagne. Let's continue tonight, come on, celebrate. That's how we do it, sometimes you gotta stay. And you know where I live. Yeah, you know what we did. Sometimes you gotta stay. Welcome to my house. Baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Play the music too loud. Show me what you do now. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. And my son's off the grid, smoke the bag. But my house is your house if you throw in the bag. Excuse me if my home draining is sad. So let these happy places that you can run with the cash. Home run, slam dunk, touchdown pass. We got fresh, we got some, so it ain't no holding back. Another shot of vodka, you know what's in my bag. It's my house, just relax. Welcome to my house. Baby, take control now. We can't even slow down. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Baby, take control now.
What's up, Neville?
What you do now. We don't have to go a while. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house.
What's going on, everybody? Looks like we got at least 3 in here. Welcome to Breakology 101. I'm your host for tonight, Charles Murphy. We got Drew Carey with us, Grady Sizemore pimping a ride, getting ready to bust into a case of prime signatures. Enter case. Get this thing going. Let's get a list off. All right, list of teams. We got John G. Arizona, Atlanta, the Browns, the Cowboys, the Broncos, the Chiefs, the Giants, the Eagles, the Rams, and the Titans. We got Joseph F., Baltimore, Buffalo, Andrew L., Green Bay, and the Raiders. I got to read the last names on all the Michaels we got. We got a few Michaels in here. So we got, and a few Davids as well. So we got Michael Hovanek, the Colts and the Buccaneers. Brian T., the Redskins. Ben S., the Bengals. Joseph G., he's got the Bears. Joey Riddens, the Panthers. Randy B., the Steelers. Darren Smith with Detroit. Alex L., you got the Jets. Mike Higgins. Brad Jr., you got the Texans. Creighton L., San Fran Niners. Patrick F.'s got the Hawks, Seahawks. Dave Brown, we already know you got the Jags. David S. got the Vikings. And Bob G. Jr. with the Pats. David Brackett with the Saints. All right, let's get ready to bust into this. See if we can one up the last case. We had a pretty good case last Monday, so let's double it up. Go. Nice full inner there. Untouched. Can I just keep one of these boxes for myself? You guys are hogging everything. I started doing this. I've opened one box. All right. You guys ready to roll? Sounds out? You got no sound there? Give it a shot. I just switched microphones. Is it still there? All right, we're gonna get rolling. Let me know if you can't hear me. I'll try to get it back on. I gotta get my box cutter, man. This knife is not good. Who I haven't seen yet out of these is the guy on the box. Anybody seen an Andrew Luck pulled out of here yet? Anybody? I haven't seen one. I seen my first Mariota the other day. All right. Pack 1, prime signatures, full inner, break 2. Good to go. Stretch it out. All right, somebody told me I wasn't allowed to peek. So I'm not peeking this time. Your guess is as good as mine. I'm gonna be just as surprised as you. Get my shadow out the way. Let's get the line to go. All right, Jonathan Stewart going to the Lions. Le'Veon Bell, the Steelers. We got Shady McCoy, LaShawn McCoy to the Bills. Tyler Eifert, our first proof. It's a good one. The black proof. Having some problems focusing. Black proof. Numbered 3 out of 5. Having some focus issues today. Took the light down a little bit. First insert, sight lines. Antonio Brown. Antonio Brown. Some bad focus today, guys. First hit of the box, Brandon Allen. I believe he's going to Dave Brown. Jacksonville Jaguars. 47 of 49, Brandon Allen. There you go, Dave. Get that proof suited up too. It's an 05. I think that one deserves its own case. Ooh, that's not the right one. Gotta suit up the L5. All right, box two. Back two, box two. Not a very big audience today. Only seen three of you guys so far, and you're real quiet. Oh, I didn't see what it was, but I seen a redemption. Hopefully we got a good one. Come on, Bo Nose, get in there. Get this focus back on. Bo Jackson, Raiders. Kelvin Benjamin, Panthers. Mr. Danny Woodhead going to the Chargers. Our proof, a blue, Pierre Garcon. Pierre Garcon, numbered 45 of 49. All right, we got Demarius Thomas going to the Broncos. Not numbered. And our first hit. See if we can get that focused in. 2016 Prime Signatures. That's the blue. Anybody know what the blue's numbered to? Jalen Ramsey. There you go. Back-to-back hits. I mean, Ramsey's can one person pull. All right, hit number two, Jalen Ramsey. Box three. Oh, there's something good in here. It doesn't want to open. There we go. I think the last Ramsey I pulled was a redemption. Not sure if it's the same product. All righty. Jonathan Stewart, number two, Carolina. We got Matt Forte, Chicago. Jason Witten, Dallas Cowboys. Our proof, Doug, 37 of 49. I can't get this to focus. I'm not spending a bunch of time on the proofs. It's a blue proof. Blue proofs are numbered to 49. 37 of 49. There we go. Next hit, or no, next insert. Rookie Revolutions, Seattle Seahawks, Alex Collins. Don't believe that one's numbered. Not numbered. Golds aren't numbered, guys. All right, next hit. It's a vet hit. Washington Redskins, Matt Jones. Got Matt Jones, that's number 26 of 49. It's going to the Washington Redskins. I believe that was owned by Brian T. Nice hit there, Brian. Redskins went really cheap too, if I recall correctly. So that paid for your break right there. Matt Jones. All right. Usually get one really big one per quarter. Let's see if we, or per third. Let's see if we can get that one. Nice hit. One second, guys. Sorry about that technical difficulty. All right. Box 4. I'm peeking. All right. San Diego Chargers. Keenan Allen. Von Miller going to the Denver Broncos. Got Greg Olson, Carolina. Our proof, red proof to 149, CJ Anderson. Going to the Broncos. That's numbered 110. Or 129 of 149. 129 of 149. All right, nice one though. Proteges. Going to the San Diego Chargers. We got a nice vet here. Going to the Green Bay Packers. Mark Chmura. That's Mark Chmura, guys. Can you guys read the number on that one? Mark Chmura. 1 of 1. Nice hit. Green Bay Packers, Andrew L. You just pulled yourself a nice vet. 1 of 1, Mark Chmura from the Green Bay Packers. There's a tiny bit of small, tiny ding up in that top left corner. Nothing serious. It was barely noticeable till it caught the light. Beautiful card, though. Andrew L. 1 of 1, Mark Chmura auto. Look at that nicely centered autograph on there. Looks dead smack. All right. First third down, second third up. You guys still with me? Sound out again? All right, guys. First box, second third. First box, second third. Try to switch that sound back. And a message saying I couldn't, I was gone. It must have been their computer. All right. See if we can build that up a little bit. It looks like it's been building up since the first hit. Green Bay with a big one there. True 101, not a printing plate. All righty. I'm peeking. All right, get back on focus. Zach Ertz, Philly. Justin Hardy, Atlanta. We got Michael Floyd for the Cards. And another Justin Hardy. This one's the proof. Numbered 135 of 149. Red proof. Justin Hardy base, Justin Hardy proof. And in Icons, Jerry Rice, I do believe that one is numbered. Double check that for you. That's a low one, and that is numbered 27 of 100. Nice little dink for the Niners there. Jerry Rice Icons insert numbered. And our next hit is going to the New Orleans Saints from the Ohio State University. Von Bell. Let's get you focused there, Bell. I'm losing some video quality here. Von Bell is numbered 46 of 199. Nice hit there. All these guys from Ohio State this year are going to be pretty good ball players, so. Get Von Bell suited up. There you go, Mr. Vaughn. And keep it moving. Any requests? What's in this pack? Bears, Ben. BLCEO. Vet Life. What we got in this one? Anybody want to make a call? Houston. Come on, guys. Call your shot. What player? Oh, man. Mr. Neville, you're not going to like this one, buddy. No Dak. Golden Tate. No, you're not. You're going to be mad at yourself. You got a Peyton. Calvin. No. All right. Blue proof. Last one, 49 of 49. Jay Cutler. Oh, another nice Niner insert. Joe Montana Ring Bearers. That's the gold. I don't believe that's numbered. Confetti, though, it might be a SP. I think the confettis might be a short print. This hit's going to the Chicago Bears. We are numbered 38 of 199, Jordan Howard. Losing focus. Jordan Howard. $38 of 199, Jordan Howard going to the Chicago Bears. What a nice Howard last night. That is the prime signatures, rookie signatures cuts. Get a 130 for this guy. Chicago Bears, Jordan Howard. All right. Jordan Howard's been proved himself not to be too bad a player, man. I've seen him watched a lot of preseason. That kid was tearing it up. I was hoping they'd give him a shot. And they did. He proved it right. All right. All right, it's time for the two more big ones. Two big ones. Who we got here? All righty. Tom Brady. Torrey Smith, Niners. Mike Wallace going to the Vikings. Got another blue proof, 41 of 49. Nick Foles going to the Rams. And another blue insert. That's Gurley 2. Also going to the Rams. That one is numbered. That would be 100. Numbered 78 of 100. Next hit, I'm going to have to double check this one. Jarrell Adams. Tight end. Numbered 146 of 199. $146 of $199. I believe he's going to the Giants. But I'll double check that to make sure. Yeah, that's what I got too, Brad. All right, last box in the second third. Another redemption in this pack. Kenny Britt, Rams. Ronnie Hillman, Broncos. It's another Jalen Ramsey. I quit with this product. That'd be 3 in 2 cases. Marius Thomas, Broncos. Shanderick West. That's a red proof going to the Chiefs. 55 of 149. 55 of 149. Going to the Chiefs. Our insert is Calvin Johnson. Let's mix colors like this. I'm pretty sure it's the gold sight lines. Ooh, we got double inserts too. Yep, no numbered. Calvin Johnson. We also have another insert. It's going to the Giants. Proteges. That would be Victor Cruz and Odell Beckham. Or I should say Giant, because if I'm not mistaken, they released Victor Cruz today. These things are shiny. There we go. Got part of it. Victor Cruz, Odell Beckham Jr., and that's not numbered as well. We're just going to slide this down. All right, we got prime signatures. Rookie signatures cut flashback, guys. That's a flashback. That's usually a good player. I'm gonna have to figure out which team this one was for. Could be the Bears. I'm assuming it's a flashback, so it's the Bears. We'll double check. That would be Matt Forte. Only a couple teams it could be. Rookie signatures cut flashback. Nice hit there. Forte's still currently playing. If he's still playing, that would go to the Jets. So I believe that's the Jets then, right? It's a college uniform. Yeah. So that's going to go to the Jets. Matt Forte. Another nice vet hit. Two nice vet hits. All right. Last third. Box 9. 2 redemptions. That one's going to Alex L. Man, Alex, you're hot in my breaks, man. Killed it with San Diego last week. Now you get a nice jet. Uh-oh. It's going to be a first for me in any of my breaks here in a second, guys. All right, Andrew Luck, Colts. We got Kelvin Benjamin. It's going to the Panthers. Danny Woodhead. It's going to go to the Chargers. DeMarco Murray, red proof. Red proof. Numbered 48 of 149. Going to the Eagles. Joey Bosa, rookie revolution. Chargers. And our next hit. It's a dual auto. Gonna have to do my first randomize. Got 2 nice rookie receivers here. It's gonna be up for grabs. Let me double check because a couple people had a lot of teams. And I'm pretty sure Johnny had the Browns. Yep. John G with the Browns. And the Vikings. David. I don't know. I can't even read my writing. I believe it's David S., but it might be David J. We'll double check that. That's Laquan Treadwell, Corey Coleman, Browns, Vikings. Johnny and one of the 3 Davids. 51 of 99. Nice dual auto there. Look at Brad. He's buying Chicago next time. I think I've hit some nice Chicago cards in most of my breaks there, bud. Hit that Singletary 1-on-1 printing plate last week. Hit you that nice armory in the playbook. Jordan Howard today. I'll set that right here. Get that one up. Get that one randomed off into the break. All right. Getting down to the nitty gritty. Box number 10. 2 more to go after this one. All right, going to the Falcons. Roddy White. Derek Carr, Raiders. Reuben Randall. Going to the Giants. Nice proof there, red proof. Broadway Joe. 144 or 149. Going to the Jets. Broadway Joe Namath, 144 or 149. Got another gold Showstoppers insert. That'll be going to the Miami Dolphins. And our next hit, another vet hit. It's going to Tampa Bay. Charles Sims. Charles Sims of Tampa Bay. $40 of 99. Charles Sims at Tampa Bay. $40 of 99. All right, guys, 2 more boxes. Couple nice hits. A big hit with the 101. Nice duel. A nice vet flashback. Now we just need a monster. One more monster. 2 boxes. Hopefully it's like my personal. It always waits till the last 2 packs. Yeah, Houston's not hitting today, is it? There's a couple other people that hit or miss, man. Like playing the lottery. All right, prime signatures. Box 11. All right, Julian Edelman. Patriots. Getting a little glare. That helped. Edelman of the Patriots. Julius Thomas. Jacksonville. Travis Benjamin. Going to the Browns. Our proof, Kirk Cousins. Redskins. $82 of 149. Insert. Odell Beckham. Not numbered. ODB. Me and Mariah go back like babies and pacifiers. And the next hit, New York Giants. Got Landon Collins. Safety. New York Giants, number 98 and 99. Pretty good player right there, man. A lot of vets, a lot of vets. All right. Last box, then we'll get to that one random we got to run. So far, one random. You never know what comes in this box. Here we go. All right, guys. White. Going to Atlanta. Ryan Fitzpatrick. Jets. Gonna get that. Got Buck Allen going to the Ravens. Cam Newton proof, red. Serial numbered 7 of 149. Cam Newton 7, 149. All right, we got a blue Proteges. Nice looking card there. I like how the blue matches in, blue and silver match in with their uniforms. Another one of the all-time great receivers there for a long time, receptions leader. Steve Largent paired him with Tyler Lockett. That is the blue. So we're numbered 62 of 100. 62 of 100 going to the Seahawks. Now I'll have to double check this. I'm not sure if he was drafted by him, but I believe this hit's also going to the Seahawks. Trey Madden. Numbered 185 of 199. Trey Madden, 185 of 199. That one suited up. We're going to get a random ran here. Figures the one time I don't open the randomizer, the time I need it. All right. Somebody tag Dave B to run this for me, man. No, all right, we're going to start, and we're just going to have to do this a little separate. We're going to roll the dice. Again, going for the Corey Coleman, Laquan Treadwell, Minnesota and the Browns. 2 dice. Got to be 5 or more. We have a 7. All right. So we're going to randomize 7 times. Going to randomize this 7 times. Sorry, I was making sure you could see me. Okay, again, we got the Browns. Ooh. Why is this not working? There we go. Vikings. Browns and Vikings. Let's see, double check here. Get it on the screen. 7 times. Browns, Vikings. And tab this. Can't get a good view in there. Let's just get it set. All right. 7 times. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. All right. 6 times. Here's 7. Vikings takes it. 7 times. Vikings, Browns. Minnesota Vikings going to take it, guys. 7 times. All right, we're going to do a quick hit recap here. All right. Got the Giants. Trey Madden, of course. $185.